Alright, well, I'm super excited today because as you can see, it's like overcast and kind of snowy, and I don't know why, but I just really love like overcast, snowy, rainy type days in the winter, so pretty excited about that. Also, it's a few days after Christmas, so how was everyone's Christmas? I know that mine was really, really good, just so much to be thankful for, and Devin's got his new 125. It's not new, but he's rebuilt it, so this is like his second session back on it, so that's pretty sweet. And in the previous vlog, I talked about how I've kind of been focusing a lot on what I'm bad at and just practicing and doing all those things whenever I go ride, and like how much it helps you improve and all of those things. And so I figured before we start today's vlog, why not talk about what it is that I'm bad at. So it's a handful of things. I guess start off with like some of my bigger goals. Some of my bigger goals is, one, I think being able to whip would be really cool, so a few different types of whips, just practicing those a lot. Two, I think that one day being able to do a 12 o'clock wheelie would be really cool, so that's like my second goal. And three, just kind of get more smooth and fast at riding laps and be able to hit bigger jumps, that kind of thing. So what are the areas that I'm focusing on right now that I'm kind of the most bad at? One is first gear wheelies. I'm not very good at first gear wheelies just because on my bike, kind of all bikes in general, but especially like two strokes, when you're in first gear, you don't have a lot of throttle range to work with. So that means that once you get up to the balance point, you kind of have to hold it right there because you don't have any throttle to get you out of it when your front end starts to drop. So that's why I'm pretty bad at first gear wheelies, but it's really good practice because it'll teach me how to get in the bounce point and hold it, which will be also really good practice for my like long-term goal of being able to do a 12 o'clock wheelie. So first gear wheelies, just slow wheelies in general, not very good at those, so I've been working on that a lot. Two would be maybe just like really good form and smooth, consistent riding. Need to work on that a little bit more when I'm riding laps. And then three is, what's three? I've been working on whips a lot lately because I'm not that great at them, so I've just been practicing them a lot, focusing on that a lot. So whips and just moving my bike around in the air. And then riding smooth and consistent and just with good form. So those are the things that I'm kind of bad at the moment that I've been focusing on a lot. Like I said in the last vlog, just ask the question, what am I bad at? Good. Good. So, you comfy or what? Alright, well, we made it back home, so yeah, it was a super great day, super great session. We met a new kid, his name was Hunter, who was out there riding for the day, and so it was cool riding with him. And then, if you got confused on like all the people that were riding the bikes in this video, Devin was on the 125 at the start, and then on like the tripod shots, the kid on the blue bike was Hunter, the new kid that we met. And then Devin was also the one on that teal bike that you maybe saw a few times because he cased the jump pretty good and popped the tube in his tire on the 125. But yeah, I don't know, maybe that'll clear it up just a little bit for you guys. But overall, super great session, super great day. And if you enjoyed this video, or if you enjoy this channel and you think you might have any friends that might enjoy it as well, feel free to share it with them. And hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next video.